Morning. We are going to discuss on the interesting topics on the limit of trigonometric functions. Here we have the question. The first one is evaluate the following limit. The first question is that limit x approaches to 0 sin 2x over sin 3x. Then here number 2 we have limit x approaches to 0 sin 5x over sin 6x. Here I have number 3, limit x approaches to 0 sin 8x over sin 10x. Here together. Then let's start on the first equation. We have limit x approaches to 0 is sin 2x over sin 3x. Before doing any operation, you have to replace this value of x, which is equal to 0, in this expression. When you replace x equal to 0 here, will remain is the sine of 2 times 0 over sine of 3 times 0. Here together. Then this implies that is sine 0 over sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 is 0. This one, 0 over 0, it takes what we call text if or is. It is impossible. Then for evaluating these expressions, so very simple and easy, we are going to use very simple methods. There is the first one. The first one is applying Hospital's rule. Hospital's rule. And when you apply this Hospital's rule on this given expression, this if will be removed. But there is a simple and easy way. Then when you have limit x approaches to 0 sin 2x over sin 3x, limit x approaches to 0 sin 5x over 6x, we are together. Then when you look out on this equation, on this expression, this limit x approaches to 0 sin 2x over sin 3x, no need to apply Hospital's rule. We are together. This will be equal to, we take this angle 2 over this angle 3. This one is the same as like the person who applied Hospital rule. For example, from here, we have like limit x approaches to 0 sin 2x over sin 3x. Then by applying Hospital's rule, this will be equal to limit x approaches to 0 sin 2x derivative over sin 3x derivative. By making the derivative of this given trigonometric function is equal to limit x approaches to 0 is 2 cosine 2x over 3 cosine 3x. Then by replacing the value of x which is equal to 0, here we will get 2 over 3. This means that for applying the Hospital rules or for getting this multiple angle on trigonometric function, they are the same. Then when you look out on the question number 2, you have limit x approaches to 0 sin 5x over sin 6x. You are together. This is equal to this angle is 5 together over this one is 6. So very simple. Okay, thank you very much. Try to solve this equation. Is limit x approaches to 0 sin 8x over sin 10x. Then try to solve this equation on this process. You will give the answer. All the best. Nice day. We are together. Right.